So after downloading and installing VideoScribe, let's see how we can open the software. Just double click on the icon, then wait for about 2 seconds and it will open. And you will need to provide your email address and the password associated with it, the ones which you use to create your account inside the website. You can also switch between English and Spanish here in the language option, and I advise you to check the remember me option, so whenever you open the software it will remember both your email and password. If you faced any problem logging in, I advise you also to click directly to the trouble logging in here link, which will direct you to a page inside your browser, and you will need to provide your email, and the VideoScribe will send you a message to your inbox and provide you with a link so you can change your password. Also, if you are new to VideoScribe or you need to create a new account, just go down here and click create a new account. It will also direct you to a new page where you can create simply a new account. So this is all for logging into VideoScribe. In the next video we'll talk about the project screen. See you in the next video.